Think you're eating healthy but still not losing weight? It's not the food, it's the wrong version of the food. Most people don't overeat junk, they overeat healthy-looking foods that spike sugar, trigger hunger, and slow fat loss. These simple food swaps help you burn fat, stay full longer, and lose weight without dieting harder. Sugary cereal, oats or eggs. Same effort, more protein, fewer cravings all day. White bread, whole grain bread or roti, better digestion and steady energy. Fruit juice, whole fruit or infused water. You keep the fiber and skip the sugar spike. Chips or biscuits, nuts, seeds, or roasted chana. Crunchy, satisfying, fat loss friendly. Large rice portion, half veggies plus protein plus small carbs. Same meal, smarter balance. Going extreme kills consistency. Swaps work only when they're sustainable. Start with one swap per meal. Fat loss is built on small daily wins. Want a full fat loss food swap list? Like this video. Subscribe to FlipFit yourself. Comment swaps and I'll drop part 2.